Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Just kidding. I had you guys going there, didn't I? Hello everyone, I'm Cotey Speaks and this is Cotey Speaks Finance. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over my latest stock play. Today we're going to be talking about Kraft Heinz, why it dropped, video of me buying in, what I bought in around, why I'm going to sell at, or what price I'm going to sell at, and why I'm confident in it. So Kraft Heinz dropped 27% in the beginning of this year. It was due to multiple things. Overall, the CEO was making pretty drastic decisions, trying to increase their margins on their product without focusing on the American consumer. The American consumer is moving towards more healthy products, and they showed significant losses year over year. Yeah, basically what I did was I bought in. I'm going to buy in, I believe around $30, and I'm going to sell around $45. When I calculated it, it was at $2,400 profit if it gets back up to $45, which is when I'm going to sell out of it. Now, why am I confident in the stock? Why do I think that it's going to come back up? It's because it's Kraft Heinz. It's a global brand. To me, Kraft Heinz has a market cornered in its taste for ketchup. There's nothing like it. Of course, you have your unnamed brand, cheaper products, but Kraft Heinz just has that taste. And it reminds me a little bit of Coke. Yes, you have replicas of Coke, but it doesn't have that taste. It's the same thing for Kraft Heinz. So that's why I'm confident in it. That's why I think the price is going to come back up. And that is my stock play for you guys and girls. And like always, this is just my plays and my opinions on the stock market. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not giving you guys advice on stocks. I'm just merely going over what I'm going to do in the stock market and my stock market plays. There will be a disclaimer down below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and feed the bear, feed the bull, and good luck investing.